Hey guys, this is a short video about my gaming setup, so let's get right on the video. So first of all, talking about my monitor is the LG 22-inch IPS panel Full HD with 75Hz refresh rate and with AMD FreeSync. It have one HDMI port, one display board and one VGA port. This cost me about 6400. Moving to the keyboard, I have the Red Gear MT01 membrane gaming keyboard with RGB colors, 3 colors. And here moving on the mouse is the Red Gear gaming mouse, link is in description. And then is the moving to the mouse pad is the Red Gear gaming mouse pad. Moving to the speakers, I have the Creative speakers. The link will be in the description below if you want to check it out. It have great bass. Moving to the cabinet, I have the Chipronics GX 2000 which have 4 ring lights. That is awesome. And here moving out the I will be going to show my cabinet. So here is the cabinet and there are the 3 LED lights and with transparent panels. So it is very good in the price range about 3600. The original price is 4000, but while on the sale I bought it for 3600 and there will be more offer with buying SBI cards while the puja offers. So here I will be showing my inner components and the specification is i5 7th generation 7400 and 8GB LPX Corsair Vigilance, DDR4 24 MHz RAM and the GTX 1050 Ti for OC edition 4GB. So this was guys my short video about my gaming setup. So that's it guys, and I will see you in the another one, and bye guys, and keep supporting. Bye.